me address myself to Senator Poe and Secretary Rojas. What do you gain if you gain the world but lose your soul in the process? Sasabihin natin, we want to stand for law and order. We want to swear that we will protect the people. But you will violate ethics. You will violate morality. You will violate election law. You will violate the advertising code of ethics just because you want to be president. You're willing to put a lie about Mayor Duterte, then you will say you will stand for the truth. You know, ako personally, I'd rather lose than lie about my opponents. All my elections, ganyan. I've always had the opportunity, kahit lamang ako sa election, to put out propaganda that is a lie against my opponents. I never did. Because mas importante ang pangalan ko.